Hey guys, it's Yaya. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a DIY aloe vera gel. It's going to be super simple and easy. No scale needed. I'm going to be using measurements that you guys have been asking me to use instead of grams. So I hope it's super easy and simple for you guys, okay? I have been using aloe vera since the beginning of my natural hair journey for scalp treatments, to heal the skin, to help clear up impurities, blemishes, whatever you can think of when it comes to damaged skin or damaged hair. The aloe vera is really used to heal it, heal those things that you might be going through. And that's why I love it so much, because it's so versatile. And most of the time, you don't really get any allergic reactions to it. Most people can use aloe vera, but I still suggest using a small amount on your skin or on your hair just to see if you are allergic to it first, okay? What we're going to be doing is basically saturating the aloe vera in some oil to kind of extract the benefits of the aloe vera and put it into an oil that's a little bit more simple to use than actually using the gel, okay? With the oil, you can apply it to your scalp, your face, your skin, very simply, it absorbs super fast, okay? So what we're going to do is basically cook the aloe vera leaves in a carrier oil. A carrier oil can be any one of your choosing. I chose avocado oil just because it has a very high smoke point. This means that you can heat it up without really causing any burning or smoking from the oil, and which will damage the nutrients, okay? But it still can get that kind of oily smell if you cook it too high. So try to keep it down between low and medium heat, okay? But we're basically going to cook this. Now what I do wish is that I had cut the aloe vera leaves a little smaller, or even smashed them into like a paste. I think it would have went a lot faster. This took forever to do, but I'm not mad at it. I'm still really happy with how it came out, okay? So this is not an essential oil. There's a completely different method to do get essential oils from different plants and stuff. That's not what this is. This basically, we're just extracting the active ingredients of the aloe vera and the nutrients of the aloe vera and putting it into the oil, like making it bond with the oil, okay? There are other methods where you do not have to use heat or cold press methods, but that's just not what we're doing here today, okay? And another good reason to want to infuse aloe vera with oil is that aloe vera is one of those ingredients that just spoils so fast in your emulsions. If you're making lotion, conditioner, aloe vera juice just really spoils super fast. It's very hard to preserve. If you put it in oil, you can incorporate it into your DIY creations without worrying about preservation as much, okay? Alright, so once your aloe vera leaves have lost all their color, you can go ahead and strain it. I'm using a regular strainer, and I'm also using the flour sack bag just because there are some smaller pieces that got in there. But if you decide to mash it up into a paste or into smaller pieces, you definitely want to make sure you also have maybe like cheesecloth or something to catch the little small pieces so nothing will be in your oil, okay? And that is basically it. What do you guys think about this oil? Super simple, easy, right? Very easy. And we had some measurements in there, if you guys saw. That should be super easy to follow without worrying about any other complications with measurements. Even if you don't have a scale, you can follow this recipe. This oil can be used as is, or you can use it to mix up maybe a hair mask, a face mask, or if you want to make a lotion or a deep conditioner, okay? But we're going to keep it as is. I'm going to be adding some essential oils for a little bit of aroma, and then also to enhance the benefits of the aloe vera infused oil. We're using tea tree, lavender, and a little bit of ginger. They all have properties which help improve scalp health, and lower irritation, anti-inflammatory properties, basically a whole bunch of healing properties that you want. This is why I chose this particular blend. It also smells great. I'm also using vitamin E oil as always, because it's going to help slow down oxidation and could definitely extend the shelf life of your oils. This is not a preservative, however, this is just to slow down oxidation, okay? So I'm super excited about how this turned out. It smells great and the benefits are definitely there, okay? All right, after mixing well, find a bottle of your choosing and go ahead and place the oil inside. Now, with oils like aloe vera oil, aloe vera infused oil, they can be very sensitive. So if you want to use an amber glass bottle, that probably will work better, just to basically keep out any light. You want to put it and store it in a cool, dark area, just to keep it away from anything that could probably damage the nutrients, or just make the oil not last as long as it possibly can. Okay. For those worried about preservation, I am too, okay? This is my first time making an aloe vera oil. I know aloe vera goes bad super fast, and extracting it into this oil will probably extend the life of it, but I don't know how long. So I decided not to add a preservative, and I'm going to add the remaining bit of it into a small jar. The reason I'm doing this is because anything that's in a jar tends to go bad faster because you're constantly putting your hands in it. So you're introducing it to new germs and bacteria, right? Okay. So this is why I put the other last bit into a small jar. I want to see how long this oil will last, and will it go bad, being that we infused it with aloe vera, which is one of the top ingredients for going bad and spoilage. Okay. So I will let you guys know how long it lasts for me, okay? I will refrigerate the small jar, and then the tall bottle will be placed in the refrigerator for contrast, okay? And I will keep you guys posted. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. This is the only way you can keep up with the videos that I have coming out, okay? I got a lot of stuff planned for you guys. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Let me know what you think about this oil and will you try it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.
Voices in my head, no